Hello, Flavia Moki here. Happy Friday, wherever you are. It's a good day. Every day is a good day, right? So, I have a quick video today, and the video topic is create your own reality show. And the topic is create your own reality show. So that means just create your own reality, right? So that means is don't live your life according to what other people think you should be doing. You are the one who came up with the plans, right? You are the one with the ideas. You're the one with the drive. They don't have it. They're not living your life, right? All I'm saying is don't be like a guy or a girl where you cannot listen to what people are telling you. But they are not you, and you are not them. You're yourself. You know exactly what you're gonna do, and when you're gonna do it, the amount of effort you're gonna do. So the thing is, everything comes and goes how you plan it. So people watch reality shows all the time, right? There's Housewives of New Jersey, New York. There's 90 Day Fiance. There's Love and Hip Hop. Name it. There are shows all over the place, right? Why do people watch those shows? Most people watch those shows because what? They want to watch other people's lives, right? They want to sit back and comment. Oh, they were loud. Oh, they were this. They bought that, right? But guess what? Those people are living their lives. And guess what? They are getting paid when they're doing what they're doing. So coming back to you, right? When you create your own reality, create your own videos, create your own content, uh, whatever you're doing, you're creating your own reality, right? And in turn, if you're great at what you do and you're consistent, don't look forward to get the money first. First of all, just make sure you 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 are ready to work your craft. You're committed. And then guess what? If truly that's what you're doing and you're living your life every day, creating your own reality, which is in terms creating your own reality show, guess what? Everything else is gonna come. So again, I'm gonna summarize. The topic of the video today is create your own reality show, create your own reality, do whatever you gotta do for yourself. But that's it, my friends. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.